The National Unity Monument was created by artist and designer Desmond Ali on June 13, 1995. Done to honor the memory of the late Guyanese historian and freedom fighter Dr. Walter Anthony Rodney, this monument embodies Guyana's rich dynamic history and diverse cultural heritage. Ali, in an exclusive interview with Nightly News, recently described the monument as the centerpiece of regional integration, highlighting Guyana's culture and history.
It's a monument that deals with Guyanese culture and history, right? And in addition to which, it has a historical background of the region. It is supposed to be the centerpiece of a regional integration monument.
This symbolic structure, made of concrete, remains unique for its pre-Columbian symbol, which is cosmetological and associated with happiness and prosperity.
Astrologically, the symbol at the top, right, is a pre-Columbian symbol that designates harmony between the earth and the celestial. So the work is all through an astrological symbol.
Desmond underscored that art in Guyana is impactful since it welcomes all walks of life and it paints the representation of Guyana's struggle to achieve unity.
Generations of Guyanese will come to observe and see not only my work but other Guyanese works within the national collection to see that the struggles the people, artists had endured and undergone because they were given very little sustenance and have made a contribution, a valid and tangible contribution that generations of Guyanese can come to appreciate.
As a result, it is his belief that Guyanese should preserve all historical sites to ensure the protection of their history and culture. This is Tarik Braithwaite reporting for HGP Nightly News.